Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare vinyl plank flooring from Home Depot and Lowe's.
Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
Well, we went to both stores for you and we're going to share what we found.
Let's go. Usually when you're walking into the Home Depot flooring section, you're going to see Life Proof being displayed.
And that's because this brand is owned by Home Depot. So this one is going to give you the most options because it's a star brand. The price point is about $3.49, around that range, depending on what style you get.
At Home Depot, you may also find the Home Decorators collection.
This is a nice wide plank and long, and the nice thing is it's not as thick as the higher end planks. So these vinyl planks have a price point about the mid-range of $2.49.
Now let's check out the luxury vinyl planks at Lowe's.
The main display in our Lowe's has Stainmaster and Style Selection. Now Stainmaster is the brand that Lowe's acquired in 2021. And Style Selections is the brand that is sold exclusively at Lowe's.
In our opinion, they have a nice variety of vinyl plank patterns that mimic real wood.
Stainmaster is the in-store brand with a mid to high price point and good quality, while Style Selections is a very affordable option that would fit any DIY flooring project in your home.
You may see SmartCore being sold exclusively at your Lowe's, but it's being discontinued and replaced by Stainmaster.
They may be on clearance at your store, so if you're doing a project, make sure you get enough for future repairs. These are the differences we found between Home Depot and Lowe's brand.
These are some differences between the vinyl plank flooring sold exclusively at Home Depot and Lowe's.
Let's check out the economy vinyl plank flooring that you can find at both.
Another flooring option that you may see in the store is Traffic Master.
At about $1.99, that's looking really good.
This product has between a 4 and a 6 mil wear layer. It also is thinner and shorter.
So this is kind of a lighter weight vinyl plank. Over at Lowe's, Style Selection has a basic performance line of planks.
The feel of these planks were more smooth than textured. They give more of a vinyl floor look than a rustic wood appeal.
These smaller planks are also in the price range of under $2 per square foot. This is the difference in economy vinyl planks.
So what is the difference between Home Depot and Lowe's?
In our opinion, Lowe's has a wider variety of vinyl plank flooring that you can touch and see in store. Our Home Depot has less vinyl plank flooring on display. However, there seems to always be a hidden gem in one style in the store.
We also found premium planks that experienced DIYers could install.
No matter their differences, you'll be able to find a quality vinyl plank at either one. If you're now ready to install your vinyl plank flooring, we have an entire playlist to show you how.
We also give step-by-step instructions in our videos to make things easier for you.